What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are going to be doing an unboxing of the MagGuts. This is for the P365XL magazines, and this lets you add 2 more bullets to the 12-round magazine without having any extensions on it. You're going to replace the base plate and the spring and the follower, and you're going to magically get 2 more rounds in it. So with that, let's go ahead and see what all this comes with, and then I'm going to go ahead and install this as well. All right, so this is the packaging here. It just kind of comes in a plastic tube, and you can take the lid off. And then inside we have our base plate with the MagGuts logo on there, and we are going to be putting that on. And then inside here we have our new spring, and this is what all the magic is about, how it's folded differently than the stock spring from Sig. And then as well, we have the new follower to install. And then also in the box, they give you the pamphlet and directions on how to exactly install it. But that's it as far as the packaging. Let's go ahead and get this onto the magazine. First thing we have to do is we have to take apart the old magazine. This is a 12-round P365XL 9mm magazine, the factory one. So we got to take this apart. To do so, I like to use a Allen wrench or any kind of punch here. You're going to push that down and then slide it off, and then careful so it doesn't spring out with everything. And then you're going to wiggle out the old spring and follower like so. And now you're going to throw this in the trash can because you're never going to use that again. And now we're ready to install our new one into this magazine. All right, so now what we're going to do is take our empty magazine here, and this is the front of it here with the windows on the front, and we're going to slide it over our whole thing here. And there is a right and wrong way to do this. Here's the follower that comes with it. You want to make sure and have the curved part right here facing the front of the magazine, so it's going to go into it this way. I like to stack all this up here first and then insert the magazine over it. So another thing is to put this follower on, it needs to go on the right way. This is the correct way. You don't want to do it on this way, and you can see it doesn't really make any sense. And you want to make sure and line it up into the back corner here and then line it on right there. And this is what it should look like as it goes into the magazine. So now I like to set it on the table like that so it's all staged, ready to go. And then now you can just take your magazine, and remember this is the front part right over the follower and the spring, and it should slide right into place like that. And now the follower's in and the spring is started. Now we just have to shove this all in and put our base plate on. To get ready to put all this in here, I like to have the base plate ready here. The curved part is on the front edge here of the magazine. That's the way it's going to go in. So I like to set that here. And then now we're just going to crunch all this down in there. Make sure that it feeds in like so. Hold that with your thumb. And then now you're going to take your base plate and slide it into place from the front direction. Come on. Ah. Ooh, ooh. Don't you dare. Ah, get my thumb out of there. Come on. Come on. A little more. Ugh. Let's see if we can use the tool. Pop it. Ah, there we go. Woo. Not gonna lie, that was pretty difficult. That took me quite a few tries to get in there. It is a snug spring fit, and it has a lot of tension on it. So it just kept shooting out. And then this plate was a little tricky to get it to go onto the ears here. So just a heads up there. You're gonna struggle with it. Hang in there, and I promise you, you can get it on. All right, last thing left to do. Let's see if it holds 14 instead of 12 rounds now. I got my Glock thing here because I know this is going to be a tight spring, and I got 14 bullets up here. So let's go ahead and get them loaded in. And there's also a window on the front they say to check to make sure that that spring is seated correctly on the follower. So when we get to that point, looks like one more, we're going to make sure of that. So that way everything is working properly. A little hard to see, but I'm going to assume it's all right. If we can get 14 in, then it should be good. So let's go ahead and keep putting these in. right, that's 12. Let's see if we can get 2 more in now. Ooh, there's 1. And look at that. There's 2. Haha, look at that. Pretty cool. It's like a magic trick. 14 rounds of nice aluminum case. I know you guys will rip me apart for using aluminum case, but it's cheap to shoot and whatever. But yeah, it works. Pretty cool. I'm excited to take this to the range, check it out as far as reliability, put some rounds through it, and we'll see how it goes from there. But with that, I hope this was helpful. If it was, like and subscribe to the channel. Have more videos coming, and I got a bunch already up on the channel here. If you have questions, let me know down in the comments. Until next time, everybody, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.